reactivity, which is actually which is actually what I do for my job. So I'm going to show you basically what I do every day at work. So what is reactivity? In chemistry, reactivity is the rate at which a chemical substance tends to undergo a chemical reaction. So this is a resin. I use polyester resins at work. We use 6 different kinds of them. So it comes in a liquid form in our tankers every day, and we use different catalysts. Cumene is the one catalyst, the Trigonox K90, that is used in everything that we use at work. So every product that I make, every resin that we have to use cumene. The other one is Bitmac. We only use that on certain things. It's just that what Bitmac helps us do is it helps do the process at the end of it, where the cumene kind of starts it off quickly. The Bitmac helps it end quickly.
So those are the resins? The Bitmac and the...
This is my resin right here.
Okay. And those are the...
And those are, the other two are the 2 main catalysts that we use. We have others, but those are the 2 main ones that I use.
What is, do you know what the full form is? Bitmac?
Bitmac, you know what, I don't even know because it even says that on their C of A that we get. So the cumene, or the Trigonox K, it is actually cumene hydroperoxide is the formula name for it. So this is what it starts like. I mix the resin and the catalyst together and put it into a beaker in the liquid form. And then this is just a quick video to show you how the reaction occurs. So this is what I do. We wait when it gets to 100 degrees. There's a probe, a temperature probe on the other side, and when it gets to 100 degrees, we start the temperature. Every 15 to 20 seconds, stir a little bit, and you see how it's a liquid. As it continues on, it'll start to thicken up, and then it'll eventually harden, and there will be nothing that comes off on the tongue depressor, and that's what we call a snapback, and that is when the product gels and turns into a solid. On our resins, it can take anywhere from 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes. So that is when it comes to solid. Then we let it finish out, and the nice thing is we use a data logger so that you can watch how long it takes, and then when it hits up here at the very top and starts to go back down, that is what we call our peak. That's when it hits that peak temperature, you'll see it start to come back down in temp, and that's when it has become a complete solid. And my job, when it gets to the end of the line, about 3/4 of the way down to the line, is when it will be at its solid form, and then our heat ovens, the temperatures go down to help cool it a little bit before it gets to the end of the line. So this is just to show you at the end, when I take it out of our water bath, this is what it'll look like in the solid form, and then I also make pucks sometimes, which are solid form, so that we can refill